Are you in search of the perfect massage solution that doesn't compromise on comfort or convenience? Look no further than the Master Massage Home Use Sleeping Mattress Top Massage Kit. This innovative kit boasts a sleek design with adjustable features that cater to your every need. With dimensions of 14-inch width and 23 length, along with an adjustable height ranging from 3 to 17, this kit fits snugly on any sleeping mattress between 3 to 17. Crafted from lightweight aircraft aluminum, it weighs a mere 4.8 pounds, making it incredibly portable. But it's not just about portability. This massage kit offers unparalleled comfort. The 6-way adjustable face rest cradle and memory foam face cushion pillow ensure that you find your perfect position effortlessly. Plus, the oil and water-resistant PU upholstery not only adds to the comfort but also comes with a 5-year guarantee, ensuring longevity and durability. What sets this kit apart is its versatility. Whether you're a mobile massage therapist, tattoo artist, beautician, or simply seeking relaxation at home, this kit caters to all. It's suitable for a wide range of uses including body massage, Thai massage, physical therapy treatment, beauty treatments, eyelash treatments, and even eye surgery recovery. Assembly is a breeze with no additional tools required, and it conveniently folds up for hassle-free storage. The included black nylon bag adds to its portability, making it an ideal choice for those on the go. Experience the ultimate massage solution with the Master Massage Home Use Sleeping Mattress Top Massage Kit. Say goodbye to heavy massage tables and hello to comfort, convenience, and versatility. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.